In this lesson, we're going to learn about the letter T, what it looks like, and the sound it can represent. So this is what a T looks like, an uppercase T. It's a line across and a line down. So when we write it, it looks like this, across, down. Try it with me. Across, down. That's an uppercase T. A lowercase t looks quite similar, but the line that goes across, it's not here at the top anymore. It's a little bit lower down. This is a lowercase t, so we write it very similarly. We go down and across, down and across. The only difference is with an uppercase T, remember the line is all the way at the top. A lowercase t, the line goes a little bit lower. So here's how you could make a T with your body. This kid is so excited to make a T. You just stand up straight and put your arms out wide. So we have the line that goes across and the line that goes down. Can you make this with your body? Now we're going to talk about the sound that T can represent. So T says, we're going to hear the sound T. T can represent the sound T. So let's see what's happening here. Our mouth is a little bit open. Our tongue is right behind our teeth. And we just push out a little bit of air. T. You try. T. That's the sound that we should think of when we see this letter. Do you hear how T and T kind of sound similar? I hear a connection. I wonder if you do too. So here are some things that start with the T sound, the letter T. Remember, we have our uppercase T and our lowercase t. What's this animal that starts with T? This is a turtle. What's this animal? We got a lot of animals. This is a tiger. What are these? Can you look like me? These are your teeth. That starts with T, with the letter T. A table. Some yummy tomatoes. Those all start with the letter T, the T sound. Here's our card. This picture here, maybe you've seen something like this kind of toy before. This is called a top. A top is just something that spins and spins and spins and spins until it doesn't anymore and it stops. So our card goes like this. T, top, T. Let's do it again. T, top, T. You try. T, top, T. Because we know the letter T starts with T, like in the word top. To do T in sign language. So I always like to start with my hand out like this. It helps. I'm going to put my thumb in between my pointer finger and my middle finger, and then just close my fist. Do you see how my thumb is just sticking up, just wiggling out? This is a T. This is the letter T in sign language. So let's do it again. Your hand is out like you're giving a high five. You put your thumb, and then you just fold over your other fingers. Keep working on it. This can be a tricky one to do. This is the letter T. And now we are all done. Now you know the letter T, uppercase and lowercase, and you know the sound that it can represent. T. Keep practicing, and I will see you soon. I love you.